Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we will discuss about sum of first and terms of an AP. So in the last few videos we find how to find an AP and in this part we'll find how to find the sum of first and terms of an AP. So there are some formula to find sum of first and terms of an AP. So let's go through with the formulas. So our first formula is Sn is equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1 d. So where a is the first term and d is the common difference and n is the number of terms. With the help of this formula, we can find the sum of the AP. And there is one more formula, that is when they give you the last term of an AP. So when they give you last term, you can apply this formula n over 2a plus L, where a is the first term, n is number of terms, and L is the last term of an AP. So if they give you last term, you can apply this formula. If they did not give you the last term and ask you to find the sum of the following AP, then you can apply this formula. So now begin with this video and start applying this formula. Okay. So our first question is find the sum of the following AP. So the AP is 2, 7, 12 and to 10 terms. So we have to find the AP, the sum of till 10 terms. So what is given here? The first term, that is A. A is 2 and the difference D is A2 minus A1. This is A2 and this is A1. 7 minus 2, that is 5. And n is number of term is, they ask you to find the 10 terms. So n is 10. And we have to find the S10, right? Because we have to find the sum of 10 terms. So what was our formula? S10 is equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. So what is n? 10 over 2. What is a? 2 times 2 plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, that is 9, multiplied difference is 5. So first we solve the bracket as per the Bodmas rule. 4 plus 45. Eliminate 2, the 10 is 5 times 45 plus 4 is 49. 49 times 5 is 245. That's how you can apply this formula. Now, do try this question with the same formula. So what is the value of A here? Minus 37. What is the value of difference? Minus 33 minus 37. That is minus is plus and again plus minus is minus. So that is minus, because this is in positive. So we get plus 4. Now, what is n? N is 100 terms over n is 100. So S 100 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So n is 100, 100 over 2. And 2a is 2 times minus 37 plus n minus 1 is 100 minus 1, that is 99 times 4. 100 over 2. 2 times 37 is minus 74 plus 99 times 4 is 394. 100 divided by 2 is 50 times, do the subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 3. 320 times 50. So our 100th term will be 16,000. I hope you understand how to find. Now let's move forward to the next question. Find the sum given below. So what is given? The first term is given, the second term is given, the third term and the last term is given. In this question, they give you the last term. So last term, we already learned the formula. First, we write what is given. A is 7. Difference is A2 minus A1, that is 10 whole 1 over 2. How can we write 10 whole 1 over 2? 10 times 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1, 21 over 2, subtract 7 over 1, our first term. So we get 7 by 2. So our difference is 7 by 2 and an. An is last term, that is 84. So first we find the n. How can we find n? By our AP formula. You remember the formula? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So an is, why we are not applying the formula Sn? Because we don't have the value of n and L both. So at least we have one value. So with the help of this formula, we can find n, then we apply this. So an is 84 and A is 7 plus n we don't have, and D is 7 over 2. So here is 84 minus 7 equal n minus 1, 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 times here 2, 7 by 2, it becomes 2 by 7 here, and n minus 1. Eliminate 7 with 77, that is 11 times 2 is 22. Here minus 1 comes to this side, plus 1. So the value of n is 23. Now we have n, so we can apply this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus n. So Sn, number of terms is 23. So S23 is equals to 23 over 2. A is 7 and L last term is 84. So 23 over 2 multiply 84 plus 7 is 91. So 23 times 91 is 2093 over 2. And when you divide it, you get 1046.5. So this is the sum of our 23 terms. I hope it's easy to find. Now try this. In the second part, what is A here? 34. What is difference? 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. And what is an? An is 10. So the formula for an is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. 34 plus n minus 1 minus 2. 10 minus 34 equal n minus 1 minus 2. 10 minus 34 is minus 24, and here minus 2, and here n minus 1. And we take the minus and divide 24 by 2 is, you get 12 plus 1 equal n. So your n is 13. Now we have to find the sum of 13 terms. So it's 13 by 2. A is 34. We apply, put the value in this formula. 34 plus L, our last term is 10. So 13 by 2 multiply 44. Divide 2 by 44, you get 22. So 13 times 22 is 286. It's easy. Now, in an AP, what is given? A is given, difference is given, an is given. You have to find n and Sn. It's easy now? Yes. So A is 5, difference is 3, and an is 50. So we apply our AP formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1D. An is 50, A is 5 plus, and we don't know, we have to find the n first, and the difference is 3. So 50 minus 5 equal n minus 1 times 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 over 3 equal n minus 1. Here is 15 plus 1 equal n, and n is 16. So S16 is n minus 2 a plus l. N is 16 by 2. Our first term is 5 and our last term is 50. So 16 by 2 times 55. 16 multiplied 55 is, we can eliminate 2 by 16, we get 8. So 8 times 55 is 440. So our N is 16 and our Sn is 440. Now in this question, A is 7, A13 is 35. We have to find the difference and S13. So A13 means N is 13. So A13, how can we write A13? A plus 12D. Remember? A plus 12D. If you don't know why we are writing A plus 12D to A13, you can check my previous videos of AP. You will understand. So A plus 12D, notice the value of A13, 35. It's equals to 35. Now, so what is the value of A? 7. So we can write 7 plus 12D is 35. So 12D is 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is 28 over 12. Difference 28 and 12. We eliminate, we get 7 by 3. Yes, with the table of 4. So S13 we have to find. We have the value of D now. Now S13 is N by 2 A plus L. N by 2 is, N is 13 by 2 A plus L. Last term is A13. So we can put A13 here. So 13 by 2, 7 plus 35. So 7 plus 35 is 42. So we can eliminate 2 by 42. It's 21. So 13 times 21 is 273. So our D is 7 by 3 and our Sn is 273. I hope you understand how to find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP and how to apply this formula. And we will discuss some word problems of this also in the next video. So stay tuned, and if you understand this, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.